Hello friends, welcome to our channel Universal Pahaji. Today we are back with our Excel tutorial wherein we will learn text join with if function. So on my screen you can see that I have a table created wherein I have mentioned bill number, the respective items purchased on that bill number, quantity of the items and their respective price. Now my requirement is that I just need to provide a bill number in this particular table here, and I should get the respective item names, the number of bills, that is the bill count, the quantity ordered on that particular bill and the total price of all the bill numbers inserted here. So total price, quantity and bill count is something the functions or the formulas are already available in Excel. However, to get the item names of the bill number that we will be inserting here, to get all the item numbers we need to use text join, tweak it with if function. So let's start how to achieve our required outcome. So let's start with the total price. So I have the formula available that is equal to sum if, start the bracket. Now it's asking me for range as you can see on the screen. So I will select this range that I want to find the bill in particular range. Criteria, I want to search for the bill number that is inputted here and what exactly I want to sum. So in my case the price is the one that I want to sum to complete my formula. Now I will close the bracket and will press enter. So as you can see that what this function is doing, this function is calculating or adding the price of all the bill numbers which are with the number inserted here. I can change the bill number here, so you can see the respective total price is changing and that is the sum of the price listed in this table. Similarly, to find the total of the quantity, what I need to do, I simply need to use is equal to sum if, start the bracket. Similarly, I want to check for the bill number range here. My criteria is that I want the sum of all the bill number present here, comma, and I want to sum the quantity. Close the bracket and press enter. So here what it's showing that I have bill number 101 here and the total amount of quantities that we have ordered are 2. So let's quickly check. We have 101 here and we have 101 here. So one quantity here and one quantity here. So it's doing its job perfectly. Now to count the bill, we have the formula available is equal to count if, start the bracket. Here in the range, I will select the bill number range here, provide the comma and provide the criteria that I want to search for this particular bill number, or you can say that I want to count the bill number present in this particular cell. Close the bracket and press enter. So we have 2 bills available with the number 101. Now let's come to the main topic, that is item names. Now one can say that we can achieve it using VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP. However, that is not possible because VLOOKUP will only search for the first item number, a single name. Similarly, XLOOKUP can find the name of the items from top or from bottom. So for example, if multiple item numbers are present or multiple item names are present in between, XLOOKUP would not be able to capture that. So nothing to worry, we have the trick available using text join. So let's start the formula and I will let you know all the attributes that are required. Is equal to text join, start the bracket. Now it's asking me for delimiter. So this one is the character using which you want to separate the item names or the categories that we will be using here. So I will provide comma, space, inverted commas again. So I want to separate item names by a comma. So I have used this comma in between, provide comma. Now it's saying that if any particular cell is empty, then ignore it. Yes, I want to ignore it. So what I will do, I will write true. Yes, I want to ignore the empty cells. Now it's asking me for text 1, text 2, text 3 and so on and so forth. However, in my case, I do not know that which particular text I need to select because I do not want to do it manually. So what I will do, I will tweak it using if function. So what I will do, I will write if, start the bracket. The logical test is that if in this particular build range is equal to the cell here, the bill number that is provided just underneath the bill number cell. If my bill number range is equal to this particular bill number, then select the name from this item list. Okay, so what I'm saying is that if in this particular range my particular bill number is found, then what needs to do, I want to pick up the respective item name, and if it's not found, then simply give me a blank cell. Close the bracket for if and close the bracket for text join. So we have two brackets started and two closed bracket. So this is the complete function that is saying that let's join all the text which are matching the criteria using the if function. So let me press enter and let's see what's gonna happen. Bingo. So you can see that on this particular bill number I have ordered pencil and notebook. So here is the 101 and here is the 101. Let me change the bill number here. So if I write 100, so on 100 I have ordered pen, notebook, marker and pencil. So let's quickly check. We have 100 here, we have 100 here, we have 100 here and 100 here. So we have pen, notebook, marker and pencil, and the total quantity is 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8 and plus 1 9. So quantity sum is coming here. Total number of bills, we have 4 bills available, so 4 bill count is coming, and the respective price of respective bill, that is sum of all the bills, is coming in this respective column. So if I change it to any bill number, you can see the item names are getting joined using the if function. So pretty much from my side guys, I think you have enjoyed this video. This one was a very small one, however a very useful one when it comes to joining text using the condition, because concatenate, VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP would not be able to achieve these results. However, using text join we can achieve it. So let's meet in our next video. Till then, take care. God bless you. Keep learning. Bye bye.